So I'm back here with my 2011 Mazda 3, and the third brake light burned out, so I want to replace that and show you how to do that. Plastic cover goes from here to here, so you start by taking off the ends, and you just slip your fingers between the glass and the end, pop that out, and do the same thing on this side. Then there's a post like right here and right here, and they're pretty hard to snap out, just from the perspective of you think you're going to break it, and you really aren't. So it popped out. But on this side, there you go, and you get that nice little ping from the little clips that are in here. But you can see, I mean, nothing's broken. So then to get the connector out of the bulb, I've seen people say that you don't have to pull this out, but if you look pretty closely, when you try to turn this, that clip of the connector hits the plastic piece. So we're going to take that out and just make our lives easier. On the bottom side, if you go to the back, there is a clip, and if you can press that in, I don't know if you see that, if you press that in, it'll slide out for you, like so. However, I'll show you one more. If you can't get it to pinch in, then I just take a screwdriver and go where that clip is. You just press in, and that'll do the job and get it right out. Okay. And then twist this back away, pull it out. There's your bulb. You can see how burnt out that is. And then you just pull it out and replace it. See? And to replace it, once you've replaced it, go ahead and just do the reverse, and you'll be good to go.